Started looking for him. You see the scratches on me. He woke up looking.
What happened? What's Crystal Barrels? Take him. Oh, God! Yeah.
Location, Bullock County, Georgia. Incident, elder abuse. Welfare investigation escalating to a fatal officer-involved shooting. Deputies responded to a report of a bedridden, cognitively impaired elder being physically harmed by his sole caregiver.
Hey,
bud.
how are y'all? What's going on today?
Move those sheets up.
Just keep it outside. Always look at his face.
Yeah, I tried to handle it, man, but he just went berserk. You see with my face and all?
Yeah. What happened?
He just went crazy. I think he's been
What's up,
taking too
man?
many pills.
Temple. Alright, well, what's going on today? What's up, man? You alright?
I just woke up.
What,
I just woke up.
Okay.
I ain't been taking nothing. I've been taking my gabapentin. I ain't done nothing.
I can't take it no more, man. You've got to go for a while.
Go for a while where I ain't got nowhere to go.
Okay. So what happened?
He just woke up and couldn't find no pills. And just started looking for them and couldn't find them. Just went berserk. Started beating me.
I ain't done nothing. I just woke up.
Well, you can see it on my face, man.
And
So-
I ain't done nothing to
Hey, just let me talk to Dad for a second. I'll talk to you and then we'll go from there. So you said he woke up out of his sleep, and then what happened?
Couldn't find no pills. He just started beating me, man.
No.
What did he use?
A pillow and then choked me with his
I didn't choke him.
Okay.
fist.
I didn't choke him.
How'd you get that cut on your head?
Ain't no cut on this head.
When was that?
He
Today?
scratched himself
Yes.
with
Okay.
He scratched
About
himself with
20 minutes ago,
methadone.
I ain't scratched myself.
He scratched himself with methadone. And I'm tired of y'all wrestling me. I ain't done nothing to him. Every time I'm over here, y'all come over here and wrestle me, trying to bother me, trying to lock me up, and I ain't done nothing to y'all. I'm tired of y'all wrestling me. I ain't done nothing to
He's
y'all.
a rabbit.
You live here?
I ain't done nothing to y'all.
Do you live here, man?
Yeah, I live here. I'm taking care of my sick old daddy, cleaning shit up off his floor.
Okay.
Cleaning shit up off his floor and off his ass. His grandma ain't too sorry to do anything. I'm cleaning up his shit up off his floor and his ass.
All right.
And I just woke up.
Would you mind stepping out and speaking with my partner right there for a minute?
Yes, speak out there with your partner for a minute.
Stand up.
With your partner for a minute.
Alright, so
I mean, I don't want to do it, man, but I ain't got no choice. I can't stay here. He's going to end up going crazy. And then
alright, so tell me exactly what happened.
I'm going to do this one more time now. I'm trying to be patient with you. You see the scratches on me. He woke up looking for pills and couldn't find none.
Okay.
And started looking in my bed, tore my bed all up, spilled stuff all over me, food all over me. Then he started choking me with his hands.
Okay.
And then he started beating me in the face with a pillow, and then he cut me on the face with his hands.
Okay. What do you mean, like, when you say he cut you, what do you like scratch you? And
Yeah, hit me.
okay. Alright, you lift your head up for him? Okay. Alright, was anybody else here at that time?
No,
No. Alright, you got an ID or anything on you?
no. I can give you my name. and
Yeah,
address.
I'll get that for you.
You already got it. I can't take it, man. I'm in here hurt, man. I'm paralyzed. I can't defend myself. If I could, I'd beat his ass. Y'all can't leave him here today.
What's going on, man?
Ain't nothing going on. I went to sleep for a minute and then a bunch of deputies came in here. When I took some pills, and I ain't took no pills. I took my prescription medicines. These are my prescription medicines right here.
What's the medicine for?
I got my
Oh.
on a probable or something, but
So what happened?
nothing happened.
24, y'all 24?
What time for?
These are my volumes.
Well, we got called out here for something.
Yeah, for bullshit, cause I ain't done nothing wrong. They just want to kick me out my damn house.
Well, what's like? Why would they want to kick you out?
Because I'm taking care of my daddy. He ain't got nowhere else to go. He ain't got nowhere else to go in the nursing home. I'm taking care of my daddy.
You're taking care of your dad.
Yes, I am.
So then why are we getting a call out here then?
If somebody wants to get me in trouble, wants to get me in the ass. That's why. That's why.
Okay.
And I ain't done nothing wrong to nobody. Here's the volumes. That these are my volumes.
You got shotty on you, man?
And he wanted my volumes.
You got shotty on you?
I ain't done nothing to nobody. I was trying to rest in there. Trying to sleep in my
Alright.
bed.
We're just trying to figure it out, bud. That's all.
Ain't nobody abused them. Ain't no marks on them. Y'all just trying to get me locked up, put me in the ass, and get me in jail so I can get put in the ass is what's going on.
You said
I'm
you live
tired
here?
of it.
You live here? Full
Yeah, I
time?
live here. I ain't got nowhere else to stay. It's my daddy's house. I got kicked out of my other place in Matter. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. So, what he's claiming, tell me what happened today allegedly. From what he was saying to what you...
I woke up. I went to sleep. I popped some of my Xanax. I went to sleep. I woke up and y'all went here bothering me. That's all I remember. I haven't done anything to anybody. I'm taking care of Daddy best I can. I feed for him. I cook for him. I clean for him. I piss this shit up. I clean this piss up off the floor. And then I wake up and this shit. Y'all want to try to arrest somebody and I ain't done nothing wrong.
Ain't anybody trying to arrest anybody. I'm just got a call out here, so I got to get the facts from both sides.
I didn't do anything wrong to nobody. I'm trying to survive just like you guys got. I can't even have a wife, and I ain't done nothing wrong.
No, we're just trying to figure it out, man. Nobody's saying anybody did anything wrong yet.
He's not being abused. I'm taking care of him. Do you see any marks on him?
I didn't see him, sir.
Well, then everything's okay then.
Well, no, I'm saying I physically, I didn't look at him.
Well,
I just came in and I talked to you, sir.
There's no marks on him. He's okay.
You'll take care, man. Take it easy, man.
Got it. So, does the medicine you take, does it make you like real sleepy? Or anything like that?
My Xanax makes me sleepy and lets me rest.
Okay, does it, like, when you take it and you go to sleep, is there ever like a period of, like, you just sometimes get in one of those states where you might sleepwalk or anything?
No.
Can't remember anything?
No, sir, it does not.
Okay. You just
It
kind of knock
helps
out.
me relax and helps me knock out. Helps my nerves, my anxiety. Helps my anxiety and helps me rest.
Alright. Well, this is what we got so far. Based off what he's saying, what you're saying, and you know the marks and stuff on him.
Ain't no marks on
Now
him.
he's got a cut on his forehead. He's got a mark on his neck.
Ain't no marks on him. He cut himself. You can't prove I cut him. He cut himself. I ain't
What did he cut
him.
himself with?
He cut himself with his sharp ass fingernails. He gets some methadone to carts, cuts himself with his sharp ass fingernails. You're not putting me in jail over that.
Alright,
I ain't done nothing wrong.
So you don't
to
have
him.
nowhere else you can go?
No, sir, I'm stuck here. I
You
don't
got
have
nowhere
nowhere
else
else
you
to
can
go. Because my mama kicked me out my house over there and Matter wanted to be mean to me. I had a house up there in Matter. And I'll be down there and kept me out my house in Matter. I ain't got nowhere else to go, sir. This is my only place. I'm taking care of Daddy over here. Without me, he'd be in a hospital, sir. He'd be in the VA. He'd be in the Augusta VA without me, sir.
Okay.
He couldn't stay over here.
All right. Well, I don't think it's a
him.
good idea for you to stay here, though. There's going to keep being arguments and stuff. You need to go somewhere.
Sir, what do I do, sir? He's not going to take care of himself. He's going to be in the VA.
That's his choice.
And then where am I going to be?
I don't know.
On the street? Would you want to live on the street?
I'm just saying there ain't nowhere you can go to. You ain't got a friend, a cousin, an uncle, an aunt.
I don't have
You can call your
nobody.
mom,
Everybody
grandma's house.
that's on me. Everybody that's
What's that
on
for?
me. I ain't got nowhere to go.
Okay, what about grandma right here?
Grandma that's on me too. They all just on me for Terry, for Aunt Terry. Aunt Terry's got some demon-possessed woman in them. They won't let me go over them. Now you see my situation. I'm doing the best I can, sir. And I'm asking you to be lenient on me. There ain't no cuts and bruises on him. He's fine. He's just bitching and arguing because he's an old dying man. He just needs to get over it. Ain't nobody hurting him. Ain't nobody murking him. Ain't nobody beating on him. He's fine.
Yes, sir.
So what's wrong with your dad?
My father has a delirious episode. He is near death. He fell off a trailer.
Is he dementia or?
He is dimensional. He has got Alzheimer's.
Okay.
He fell off a tree. He's got brain damage. He fell off a house. Do construction work, 3 stories. He's got brain damage. He can barely take care of himself. I'm the only reason he's out here.
Mm-hmm.
He screams and fusses all the time. He screams at everybody. He screams at y'all. That's just the way he is.
Mm-hmm.
You can't keep coming just because he's screaming. I'm taking care of the best I can over here.
Well, I'm sure, but I mean, again, if we get a call, we have to come no matter how many times. I know it's frustrating, but
I'm doing the best I can over here.
I'm sure. Nobody's taking that from you.
Well, I'm asking you something. Y'all trying to get me in the ass?
No, bro. No.
Because that's what it seems like, bro.
No, it's...
And I'm trying to take care of that man. I love my father.
I'm sure.
Try to be lenient on him, man. I ain't done nothing wrong. I haven't assaulted y'all. I haven't tried to be irate with y'all.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't trying to attack y'all or be mean to y'all. I'm just trying to have a conversation.
And it's because of that we're here talking to you.
I'm just having a relaxing conversation.
That's all we're having. We're having a relaxing conversation. That's all it is.
That's too much. It's too much every month. Every month y'all come over here.
Yeah.
That's too much.
What'd you do for work before? What'd you do for work?
Claxon Poultry.
Claxon Poultry?
I can't take it.
Yeah, I heard it's kind of rough over there. I heard that.
Could you do me a recommendation for a job? Can you give me a job?
Well, I can't, no sir, but you could go up there and apply.
Can any of you guys help me get a job?
Well, so Claxon Poultry was the last job. What'd you do before that?
That's about it.
That's about it?
Crystal Barrels, and they fired me from there too.
Crystal Barrels?
Yeah,
What's
they
that?
fired me from there too.
What's Crystal Barrels?
It's a job.
Yeah, no, I know, but what'd you do there?
Cleaning up chickens.
Cleaning up chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you get to take any home? Careful.
No, I didn't take any home.
No?
Nope.
You like chicken though?
Yeah, I like chicken though.
Yeah, me too. I like chicken. I like smoked chicken. You ever had beer can chicken?
Yeah, I have beer can chicken.
Yeah, beer can chicken I think is my favorite.
You know what it's like going throughout life without a woman?
I do.
You do, your whole life?
No, not my
You know
whole.
what it's like being laughed at by women because of what you look like because you got as a small child?
No, sir.
That's what I look like. That's how I feel like. I've been laughed at my whole life because I can't have a woman. And somebody's a little kid, and I got cops harassing me every day, bothering me, and I can't even have a damn job. I can't even work at a fast food restaurant, bro. Bro, I can't even work at a fast food restaurant job because of what I look like.
Why can't you work?
What I look like.
Why can't you work at a because of what you look like?
Because they say I look gay. Because they say I look gay and I run the customer.
Even.
How does that make me feel?
But I mean, even if that were the case, not saying that you are, but even if it were the case, so what? What does it matter what other people think?
That makes me feel bad. I can't even work at a damn fast food burger joint.
But let me ask you this: why do you care what other people think?
Because I want to work at a fast food burger joint like every damn body else.
So go work at a fast food place, man.
What?
So go ahead, go work at a fast food place.
I can't work at a fast food joint. That's what I just told you. They won't accept me. They won't accept me because of what I look like.
All right, man. Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Oh, fuck. I ain't going under arrest.
Don't. Taser! Taser!
You good?
Oh, God! Oh, God! Shot fired! Hey, still shoot! Put it down! Put it down! Shots fired, bullet, shots fired. Put it down! Drop it! Drop it! You good, Ginge?
118 Bird Road.
Move around and get it. I got you covered.
Yeah. I'm gonna go. Send EMS.
Bullet County, Bullet Central. Sending EMS 118 Bird Road. Still thinking.
Are y'all okay?
Deputies in 10-4. Subject's been shot multiple times. EMS 10-18.
Bullet there, about 17.
You can clear out, Ginge.
Central clear.
Huh? It's right there. Hey, come on. Stay with me, dude. Come on, stay with me. Come on, stay with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay with me. Stay with me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Clear that out, yeah. With 10-4.
Georgia Code Section 165101. A caregiver who willfully inflicts physical pain or injury upon a disabled adult or elder person commits a felony. Willfulness alone satisfies the element. Intent to cause serious harm is not required. Illinois v. Gates establishes that probable cause is evaluated under a totality of the circumstances standard. Victim testimony, physical injuries consistent with choking and blunt trauma, and an implausible denial collectively satisfy that threshold as a matter of constitutional law. Graham v. Garner sets the use of force standard. Reasonableness is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. 3 controlling factors: severity of the crime, immediacy of the threat, and degree of active resistance. All 3 factors aligned in support of deadly force here. Tennessee v. Garner limits the use of deadly force to situations where the officer has probable cause to believe the subject poses a threat of death or serious bodily injury. Discharge of a firearm at officers satisfies this threshold without ambiguity. Georgia Code Section 17420 authorizes deadly force when an officer reasonably believes the subject poses an imminent threat of death or serious bodily injury. Georgia courts have held that this assessment must encompass the totality of the encounter, not solely the final seconds preceding the use of force. Armed resistance during a lawful arrest constitutes aggravated assault on a peace officer under Georgia Code Section 16521, a felony independent of the underlying elder abuse charge. This converts the arrest scenario into a mutual lethal force event governed by the Garner standard. Lesson Force Science Research Center. Transition to arrest protocols require positional dominance and environmental control before announcing arrest, particularly in confined residential spaces with subjects presenting substance use and mental health indicators. The absence of this control phase created unnecessary tactical exposure. Lesson under Georgia Code. Section 17426. All officer-involved shootings are investigated by the Georgia Bureau of Investigation, independently of the employing agency. Institutional accountability requires timely GBI referral, Adult Protective Services notification under mandatory reporting obligations, and transparent public disclosure of findings.